Good morning. In this video we are simulating a problem, a water refilling problem in a Bianca PL162T. 3, 2, 1, we turn on the machine and the machine, the pump starts running to refill the steam boiler. When the boiler is full of water, you can see the pressure gauge that rise up the pressure. And this is the issue. Now, as you can see here, the pressure gauge show you that the steam boiler is full of water. In this case, the first thing to do is remove this wire, remove the power cord. First of all, remove this wire and connect this wire to the land, to the chassis of the machine. So I have with the 12mm, I lock a little bit the nut of the water level probe, this one, and I have to remove the fasten. The power cord is out. And I have to connect it on the land. If you have a stainless steel machine, you can connect here. Here you have the fasten and is made to do this test. So you connect here and you test the machine. If you have a painted version, you have to connect on the land, on the chassis, or the painting protect the land basically. So we have to put this one someplace, or also if you want you can use, as you can see, the land of the if you have a not painted machine, a painted machine, you can connect on the land. I remove this only to show you. Here you have a land, you can connect here to be sure to the fasten is connected to the land. Now I turn on the machine, and if the pump still has the problem, you have to switch off and check for something else. So the first thing to do is this, and we have to check to understand if the problem is about the wiring, about the electronic card, or about the water level probe. This test helps us to understand that the problem is not the water level probe, but it is something else. Or is the wiring, or is the water level, the electronic card, the board, not the LCC, but the board. So the white wire is connected to the land. The water level probe is here, and this is the board. Now you have to do another test. As you can see, to simulate the problem, we have removed this wire. But you can turn a little bit. This contact, this pin, is the 2 pin who control the water level in the machine. As you can see, you put the wire in this way, and the blue wire on the right goes to the land of the machine, this one. And the white wire is the one we connected to the land. Okay? Now I suggest you to do a test. Remove this pin and put in contact with a screwdriver. This is low tension. Remember, this video is only for the technician. Please, if you have problem, contact your technician in this way. And we test the machine. Turn on the machine, wait, and no refilling. The pump is not running, it means that the problem is not in the board. As we can see, if we remove Now the electronic card has the jumper. The screwdriver is our jumper. If I remove the screwdriver, the pump, if the electronic card works properly, the pump will run to refill the boiler. Now 3, 2, 1, I remove it, and as you can see, work. I put my screwdriver and the pump stop. When I put the screwdriver, okay, put the screwdriver, and for the LCC I have water. No more water. So the problem in this case is not in the water level probe, is not the electronic card, but is in the wiring. So in this video we have removed the power cord. We have removed this 2 wire to simulate the problem. Now the machine work with the connection in this way. The machine work, as you can see. Remember, because now we know that the steam boiler is full of water, but in this case remember to remove the land, the wire of the machine to the land of the solenoid valve, or if you brew some hot water from the hot water tap, the machine does not recognize that you have no more water in the boiler, and you can damage the heating element. So switch off the machine, remove the power cord, remove this wire, and connect it on his place. So now this work. This is connected, properly connected on the board. We have checked the board, so the machine now works. But we have to do this test to understand where the problem is. Or is the water level probe, and you have to do the test to connect this one in another place. If you put this one in contact to the land and the machine stop refilling, it means that this one works, the wiring works, you have a problem on the water level probe. In other case, if you do this test, put into contact the board, and the refilling no stop, it means that you have a problem here. But if you put this one, the jumper, and the machine stop the refilling, it means that this one works, and you have to check in the wiring.